This video shows how to create connections between steps by using the flow chart view. In particular, by using this specific method, the configurator is able to connect the overview process to the one related to the flexibility section of the form. First of all, let's take a look at the overview process that we wish to connect to the other one. The user can launch the process by clicking on the play icon within the myMeta menu. By following the provided instructions, it is possible to reach the next step. Once reached the step related to the flexibility section, the intention is to connect the button, "Yes, help me edit," with the other guide. Currently, the button is connected to a specific step that performs no action, so the guide gets stuck. By clicking on the X icon within the completion wizard present at the bottom of the page, the configurator is able to interrupt the fruition of the process. It is possible to access the flow chart view by clicking on the related icon within the myMeta console panel. The flow chart view presents different action buttons, each one providing a different functioning. In this case, the user is using the filter in order to display the desired processes. Connections within steps are noticeable by taking a look at the lines that connect a step to another one. By clicking on the Edit button, the Edit panel of the step appears. From this panel it is possible to set all the properties related to the step, such as connections to other steps. The configurator reaches the Behavior tab of the Step Edit panel, in order to point this step to another one. In particular, the connection is created by setting the GoTo process and the GoTo step fields with the ID code of the process and of the steps to which the current step has to be connected. The connection has now been created and it is displayed with a line that goes from one step to the other. At this point, the configurator wants to connect the end of the second process to the step of the first process, in which the user is asked if she wants to edit the flexibility section. It is possible to create new steps directly within the flow chart view, by clicking on the plus button and dragging the desired step typology into the process. By setting the GoTo process and GoTo step parameters of the new created step, the configurator is able to create the connection. A new connecting line appears. The current configuration can be saved with the relative functionality. At this point, it is possible to test the connections by reloading the page and launching the process from the myMeta menu. Once the user clicks on the Yes, Help Me Edit button, the connection redirects the guide to the flexibility guide. The user is following the instructions provided by the guide in order to reach the last step of the process.